In this video, I'm going to make this nut into a ring like this. This is a stainless steel nut. I'm going to turn it into a ring. In a previous video, I made this ring from a nut. This is just a regular nut, and then I made another ring that was round out of stainless. So this one I've had for, I forget now, it's been quite a while now since I made that video, but it's still holding up well and I wear it, and yeah, it's looking pretty good. And then I had a request from a family member to make another ring, except for their finger is a size 12.5, which is significantly larger than my hand. So I have this stainless steel nut here, and I'm going to fabricate it out of this. I'm going to see what happens. I'm going to change it up a bit and try to fabricate this with just more common tools that I have. Maybe that so you guys can follow along. I'll see how well it goes, how frustrated I get, and I might just break open some of the more esoteric tools like my die grinder and stuff. I have a feeling actually hitting this with a file probably isn't going to be the easiest thing. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my angle grinder and hit it with a flap disc, which should grind away this excess material pretty quickly. So I've already kind of sketched out the ring freehand to kind of look the same as this one here. So it's going to have a flat face here and then a taper down like that and like that. So let's get to it. So I have the nut clamped up so that it doesn't move. And then I have here, this is a flap disc, and this should make short work of grinding down the excess material. I could cut it with a hacksaw, but this just makes it a lot easier, and I think it'll be a lot quicker. Certainly a lot easier on my arms. Alright, that's one side grinded down. That's looking pretty good. I'm happy with that. It's got a nice taper. Still got to clean it up a little bit. I'm going to work on the other side. So I showed you how to do that one side just with the angle grinder. I won't bother to show the other side. It's not all that interesting. That all took about maybe 5 to 10 minutes to do. So it's relatively quick. So what I did here was I rounded off the two sides to get like a tapered fit. So that way it would be nice and comfortable on the finger. So it'll taper down both sides. Now I'm going to hand sand this and get a polish put on it. I've rounded the inside with a Dremel, rounded this here a little bit on the belt sander. So I've taken this up to about 400 and it's looking pretty shiny. I'm just gonna finish it the rest of the way and then polish it, but it's looking pretty good. Up to 800 now. It's starting to look really nice, getting even shinier. All right, let's move it up to 1,000. And then after that, I think I will polish it with some metal polishing compound. Last step, 2,000. So this is after hitting it with the 2000 grit sandpaper. The next thing I'm going to do is hit it with some aluminum mag and aluminum polish for metal. This stuff is for polishing car rims. And I'm just going to hit it with the Dremel, and that'll polish this ring up to be super sparkly and shiny. I'm done polishing, I'm done sanding, polishing. It is sparkling. This is beautiful. Look at that. That is awesome. Uncle Bob will be very, very pleased with this. I just got to clean it up a little bit. There's a little bit of lint there, but that's looking awesome. Okay, I'm gonna just wash it, take a few final photos, and call it done. Look at that. That looks awesome. Getting a little bit of fingerprint on there, but a little smudge there you can kind of see, but that'll come out.